Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LifeAID for post-workout recovery, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by preparing your LifeAID drink of choice. Choose a flavor that appeals to you. Grab a chilled can from your refrigerator. Open the can by pulling the tab on top. Pour the drink into a glass for a refreshing experience. Take a moment to appreciate the aroma and color. Before consuming, check the label for nutritional benefits. Notice the blend of electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals designed for recovery. When you're ready, take a sip and enjoy the refreshing taste. Hydrate thoroughly by drinking the entire can. Sit back and give your body time to absorb the nutrients. Consider pairing the drink with a light snack for optimal recovery. Wait approximately 30 minutes to an hour after your workout to allow your body to recover. Monitor how your body feels during this time. Feel free to mix in additional supplements if desired, but consult a nutritionist first. After your recovery window, get back to your regular activities. Enjoy the boost LifeAID provides as you continue with your day. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.